Alright, quick gear review on the PETZL Grillion Plus. We got these a couple months ago. We've been rolling with the regular PETZL Grillons for quite some time now. The biggest difference between the Plus and the regular version is the rope. This is aramid fiber rope. It gives you great abrasion resistance when you're out on job sites. We got these, again, a couple months ago. We had these out on a salvage job 2 weeks ago, and they performed awesome. We had them on all sorts of questionable edges, I guess, if you will. Got wet, got a bunch of different products in them, got metal shavings into them, and it performed awesome the whole time. You can see it's held up great. So we're really happy with these guys right now. The main point of having a Grillon is for work positioning. That's the main point of them selling it. So if I did use it as a work positioner, there's two different ways I can use it. I can just go into my central D-ring, go back around an object, and then back into my central again. The other way to use it is by going onto my two side D-rings. So I go into my side D-rings, come around the structure, and back into my other side D-ring. So those are the two main ways of using it for as a work positioner. We use these often for horizontal lifelines as well, so we can spread them out horizontal lifeline. Another thing it's great for is the directional anchor. So if we had to put our ropes off over here and we were anchored off over on this side, we could take this, spread it out, and it's fully adjustable. We can get our ropes in line exactly where we want to go with it. So it's got a lot of capability for us. The other thing we like this for is for the possibility of using it as a rescue too. So we have a little mini haul system on our kit already. We always have these on job sites. So I could take this into my victim, clip it into there, and then go back into myself if I was going to pick him off as a rescuer. And this would give me a theoretical 2-to-1 on him right now. Again, theoretical, it's not really 2-to-1, but a theoretical 2-to-1 haul system to lift him up onto me. Another option for us is to do this. If you want to have a little more MA in our system, we could take it and we could make it into a 3-to-1 haul system pretty quickly as well. So just like that, now we have a theoretical 3-to-1 haul system. I can lift him up onto me again, onto the back side of my carabiner for rescue. So PETZL Grillion Plus, once again, a lot of great capabilities to it. It's a multi-use device that's what we try to roll with on most of our kits, is things that we can use for multiple things when we're out on job sites and out in the fire department.